Welcome to Global Math World. I am so glad you're here for this explainer. Today, we're going to break down the actual mechanics of addition, step by step. Think of this like a fun, totally supportive classroom where we just figure things out together. Let's get started. As the source material always says, welcome to my YouTube channel, Global Math World. That perfectly sets the stage for what we're doing today. We are taking addition and breaking it down into super logical, totally manageable pieces. Here's our game plan for today's explainer. First up, welcome to Global Math World. Then we hit Level 1, single-digit addition, followed by Level 2, double-digit addition. After that, we're going all out with Level 3, triple-digit addition, before wrapping things up with your Math Master recap.
All right, Section 1, welcome to Global Math World. Getting started.
So, here is the big question. Are you ready for step-by-step addition? Because I definitely am. Let's dive right in and master these fundamental skills together. Moving on to Level 1, Single-Digit Addition, Mastering the Basics. Our very first challenge from the source text is 2 plus 3. Now, this represents the absolute foundation of all addition, right? It's just about combining single units together. Picture this. You've got 2 isolated units of something, let's just say apples, and you bring them together with 3 more apples to make one single larger group. Boom, the answer is 5. Awesome job! Now, I know that's pretty straightforward, but listen, the underlying logic we use to combine these units, it's the exact same framework you're going to need to scale up to much, much larger numbers. Time to level up. Level 2, double-digit addition stacking up. Check out our next equation, 24 plus 15. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do we handle adding numbers when we suddenly have 2 digits involved instead of just 1? I mean, we can't easily visualize 24 individual items and another 15 individual items in our heads all at once, right? That's just chaos. We need a reliable system. And that system relies on an absolutely crucial concept, place value. By breaking the numbers down into vertical columns, 10s on the left, 1s on the right, we can easily stack 24 and 15. Fun fact, the Hindu Arabic numeral system actually revolutionized this exact vertical stacking process centuries ago. It gives us the positional base 10 math we use today. It literally takes all the guesswork out by perfectly aligning the 4 and the 5, and the 2 and the 1. So let's walk step by step through the mental process of solving this table. The golden rule of addition, always start from the right side. Step 1, we add up the ones column. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Beautiful. Now step 2, we slide over to the left and add the tens column. 2 plus 1 equals 3. We drop that 3 right next to the 9, and just like that, we reach our total of 39. All right, brace yourselves. Level 3, triple-digit addition, the master challenge. Here are our triple-digit numbers for the boss level, 125 plus 347. Now, don't panic. These numbers might look a lot bigger, but I promise you, the exact same rules you just mastered in Level 2 apply right here. We haven't changed the game at all. We've just made the board a tiny bit wider. Look at how we visually stack these larger numbers. We're just adding a hundreds column to our organized table structure. Easy. 125 sits perfectly on top of 347. The 5s and 7s hang out in the 1s, the 2s and 4s in the 10s, and the 1s and 3s in the hundreds. Organization is honestly the secret to math. Okay, let's walk through a cool new trick here. Carrying numbers. Starting on the far right again, step 1, add the 1s. 5 plus 7 equals 12. But wait, we can't fit a 12 in the 1s column. So we write down the 2, and we carry that extra 1 all the way over to the top of the 10s column. Make sense? Okay, step 2, add the 10s. 1, yep, the one we just carried, plus 2 plus 4 equals 7. And finally, step 3, add the hundreds. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Bringing it all together, our final answer to the master challenge is 472. Incredible job. By applying a highly structured visual system and just carrying the 1s, what looked like a super complex data set is actually really easily solved. Let's lock all this in with your Math Master recap, reviewing the rules. Ultimately, the core mechanics of addition that we've covered today just come down to 3 totally repeatable rules. Number 1, align your numbers by place value. Number 2, stack them vertically so your mind stays completely organized. And number 3, always add starting from the right. This framework guarantees you're never going to get lost no matter how gigantic the equation is. So now that you've got these visual strategies and structural rules to decode complex equations, What math challenge will you conquer next? Seriously, the sky's the limit. Thank you so much for exploring these awesome concepts in Global Math World with me today. Keep practicing.